quick little lesson today on how to play that classic iPhone Strum notification. On the mandolin. So, how I play it, and this is just how I hear it, sounds something like this. Bring this camera down just a little bit. And this is how I play it. So, put my first finger, second string, second fret, put my middle finger, fourth fret, first string, and I strum all that together. Then there's a slide. So the slide is a whole step, a whole step, then a half step. So these two together, then a slide. But you want to let them all ring out. So the first strum all together. Then I basically mute the top string and I strum the bottom three all together. So I hope you guys find that kind of fun, and you can pick up a mandolin and you can annoy some iPhone users, because they'll probably all jump up and want to check their notifications, or maybe they use it for their alarm and they'll get like PTSD, feeling like they need to go to work. Anyways, that's really fun. So thanks for checking out my channel. Like, subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and if you like this, share it with everybody else. You know all the fun YouTube stuff. So anyway, thanks for hanging out, and have a good night.